I'm a gangster from East Side, Norway.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been passing and laughing for so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Being treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying in chalk. I really hate to trip, but I gotta know. As I cook, I see myself in the pit of smoke. Ooh, I'm the kind of G that it'll always wanna be like on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light. Been spending most their lives living in the gangster's paradise. Been spending most their lives living in the gangster's paradise. They got the situation, they got me facing. I can live a normal life, I was raised by the strip, so I gotta be down with the hood team. Too much television watching got me chasing dreams. I'm an educated fool with money on my mind. Got my tan in my hand and a gleam in my eye. I'm a low down gangster set driven back around my homies is down, so gonna rise my anger. Ooh, yeah, ain't nothing but a heartbeat away. I'm living life to a die. What can I say? I'm 23 now, but will I live to see 20 for the way things is going? I don't know.
Tell me why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me?
Been spending most their lives living in the gangster's paradise. Been spending most their lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Money and the power, minute after minute, hour after hour. Everybody's running, but after they look what's going on in the kitchen. But I don't know what's cooking. They say I've got to learn, but nobody's here to teach me. If they can understand it, how can they reach me? I guess they can, I guess they won't, I guess they're fun. That's why I know my life is out of luck, fool. Been spending most their lives living in the gangster's paradise. Been spending most their lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise.